Okay, hey guys. I know it's nighttime. It's freaking 11:01 for me p.m., which is nighttime. So I did a part of a quest, but then I was like, hey, I wanna record some of this, so why not let's just get started. Oh, hello there. Little lady. How about young lady? That would be much more nicer than little lady. Little lady, have you come to use the trail? I don't even know. I'm glad. It makes me feel like someone appreciates my work here. Go ahead, go on, and ride carefully. It's tricky. I'm up for a challenge. I'm like... Oh, I had to be on my horse. I forgot about that. I'm thinking of being the dog pumpkin. I'm scared now. But the sunshine, let's go. It's on my house, so oh no. What's up? Ready or not? Just show me what you got. I'm really bad at singing, so don't mind that front part. I'm really bad at singing so nice. Yeah. I'm like concentrating so hard. I might be a little quiet. But you got my loud. Well, it's actually on, the volume is actually 6, but my TV is right under my computer, because I have a Mac, and it's not like I can move it anywhere else, so. Did I miss? Oh, the checkpoint's over there. Okay, that's good.
Girls, do you know what this is? Sure I do. It's a slide for gerbils.
Girls, you know what this is? Yeah, it's a slide for gerbils.
Seems like a waste of the gerbil slide.
I'm sorry, that just kind of sounds funny if you picture it like someone who's a big gerbil fan and they're like, it's a slide for gerbils, and they put a gerbil on the slide and it doesn't even slide. Yeah, that's kind of funny. If you picture it in your mind and... Okay, it's not funny anymore.
I saw that. It was girls versus boys. Oh, right. And the boys want to go to cake. Ooh, now I want cake. You know what, though? This time, I bet the girls win. And the cake will be even bigger. Let's go find that cake.
Yeah, this is my point. I might be quiet.
Zach is the network exec who helped develop the new show. He's actually the one who said that there should be 2 exclamation points at the end of "Sing it louder."
It's my favorite jump, even though it's for the first time ever doing this race, but I just love big jumps.
You mean racing louder?
Do the back. No! No.
Okay, so my question.
It has literally took me 2 minutes. No. I've made it this far. No! Okay, I'll be back when I have all this. I had to log off and log back on. Apparently the game has glitched and froze. Also, while it was loading and I don't know, I got bored. Also, shout out to Lauren D-Side. Yeah. So, I'm not doing Yo Race. So now that I'm doing a video, I am going to go to Hollow Woods. Can I trailer to Hollow Woods? That's my question. That's my huge, big question. Let's see. Can I trailer there? I don't think I can. Yeah. Yeller. I can't say. Yeller.
YouTube system is unfairly flagging these videos that about raising kittens as not being advertised or present. I don't know why.
Why does that always happen?
Nobody's helping.
I always do this. Like, I just press W and X, and it just brings me right off my horse. I'll be back. You can probably already see her, but we're gonna go to her, and she is over here, I think. Wow, there's some glitch. She's over right here. I'm getting blind. No! 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 I need you. No way! Hi! It's me, son! I don't know how to pronounce your name. Oh my freaking... Why are you turning like that? You're so shifty, man. She's like following me. She's like, oh, I'm watching you. She's so shifty. Oh no. I just literally just tapped my...
saying things, trying to break their spirit.
Hold on. I don't want to look bad and look like
I've been wanting to come here for a really long time. It's really amazing. The first time I saw the statue, I just saw determination, incredible amount of courage. Everything that they did, everything they stood up for, that's what a hero is.
You've taken a stance in your life. You made a difference, not only for yourself, but for the whole community.
I think the monument is a line that I've always known. I've always known that she was incredible, but now everyone else knows. Commemorating Black History Month. True heroes are towers.
You're so gross. One of the cats, come get this brat. This is your job.
You guys just showed up. Andy Shack has been there for my whole life.
The next day at watch Andy Mack on Disney Channel.
Okay, so apparently all that stuff was for something. Why? Girl, it's like, watch. Watch how shifty she is. Watch how shifty she is. She's so freaking shifty. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment if you did, and comment down below if you want to see more. And bye, okay?